Hello everyone! Welcome back to our YouTube channel. In this video, I will be talking about Wi-Fi not showing on Windows 10 or Windows 11. If you have the same problem where you can't see the Wi-Fi connection, either you're not able to connect it, then how you can fix it. If you are not seeing Wi-Fi option here, don't worry, I will be doing in front of you. And I will be just going through with a few solutions that what exactly you need to do. Number 1, we have to run the network troubleshooter. Just click on the search icon and write settings. Now, click System. Now, scroll down and you will get an option of Troubleshoot. If you will not be able to find it, simply write in search bar. Click on it. And then it says Additional Troubleshooters. Click on Additional Troubleshooters, and then you will get an option Internet Connection. And then on the right of it, you will see Run the Troubleshooter. Click on it. And now it will start detecting the problem and let us know that what exactly the problem is. I will go with this option and see where exactly the problem is. Now, this may take some time, so just make sure that you keep some patience. Once completed, you can see it says, "We did not get too much from here, but you may get some solutions or some information from here that what exactly the problem is." If nothing work here, then close it. Here you will find Network and Internet. Now simply click on Change Adapter option. Now in Wi-Fi icon, click on it. Disable it, wait for a few seconds, and then enable it back. And that will definitely help you. In case if it still doesn't work, try restarting your PC. Hopefully, guys, this will help you too. If yes, make sure you hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more related videos. Thank you.